In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your Facebook account completely private. You will be able to manually select what information to be publicly shared and what information to be essentially privately saved from the public. Let me launch the Facebook app and let me show you. First thing you want to do, guys, you want to click on the lower right corner at your profile picture. Then, when you're at your profile, I want you to go ahead and hit the gear icon at the upper right. This is where the magic happens, guys. I want you to pay close attention. I want you to scroll down to the section Tools and Resources, and I want you to click on Privacy Checkup, the first option. Then I want you to focus on the first section, which is who can see what you share. When you click on this, you will have the option to select each category privacy settings. This means that you can simply hide the city that you're from, the city that you was born, the city where you graduated, the college, the education, all this information that is usually in your bio. You will be able to hide it. You will be able to hide all of your content. You can select who can see your content, who can see the content that you was tagged on, right? Who was shared with you. Essentially, you can no longer not only filter from public to private, but you can filter inside your friends. You can set that people who can see your photos or videos will be friends except friend this, friend that, and friend this. So essentially you can filter inside your friend list. So this will simply help you to customize the visibility to the very small detail. But essentially, guys, this is how it works. I hope you guys know exactly how and why you should protect your content. And now I just showed you how to do it. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.